Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about a new lesson which is measuring temperature. What is the temperature? Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. How to measure the temperature? Temperature is measured by using thermometer. There are two kinds of thermometers. The first one is clinical thermometer. It is used for measuring the human's body temperature. The second one is Celsius thermometer, and it's used for measuring the temperature of things as weather, water, and so on. The unit of measuring temperature is degree centigrade, and it's written as C and above it small circle. Note: our normal body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade, and this is called boiling point. Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade, and this is called freezing point. Read the temperature in each of the following. Here in this first thermometer, my blue line stops at -50, so my temperature is -50 degrees centigrade. Next, here in this one, my blue line stops at, or its reading as 11 degrees centigrade. Here in this thermometer, my blue line stops at 0 degrees centigrade. Here in this thermometer, my blue line stops at 22 degrees centigrade. Here in this one, my blue line stops at 49 degrees centigrade. The last one, my blue line stops at -10 degrees centigrade. Thank you.